Hello guys, my name is Willem. Welcome to LRDX Cars. I'm now driving in my Mazda MX-5. I'm actually back in Belgium. Last week I went to a music festival here in Belgium. Now I'm back in my hometown. And today I'm going to take you to Heringen. It's a city about 40-minute drive I have to do to see a BMW 4 Series Coupe. It's there for sale. And I'm going to have a look at it, see also if the person is maybe interested to buy my Mazda back, and then we can do a trade for it. Yesterday I also went to two different garages. One garage only wanted to give 25,000 for it, so it's a bit too less for me. I'm pricing it now around 35, because I sort of want the same money back that I paid for it 4 months ago. Now the car has 12,000 kilometers. It's still like brand new, so for me I want the same money back, trade it in for another car. Like I said, I'm thinking about an Audi TT. Also saw some newer Audi TTs here in Belgium, because I wasn't able to sell my car in Italy, like some of you will know. It was impossible because it's a Belgian registered car. So an Audi TT I'm thinking of, BMW 4 Coupe, Audi A5 would also maybe be cool. Other cars I saw, more like muscle cars, like a Mustang or a Chevrolet Camaro, but they don't drive that well. So I prefer, I think, the BMW I'm going to look at now. It's a white car. It's just a 420 with the same amount of horsepower as my Mazda has, but it's a bit of a bigger car and it's a bit cheaper as mine. So hopefully I can get like 8,000 euros back for my car and trade the Mazda in for then the Mercedes. And Mercedes is, or the BMW is priced at around 27,000 euros. So if they pay me 35, I'll maybe trading the car in. Like I said, also Mercedes cars I'm looking at, the C200 coupé or the C300 coupé I saw for about 27,000 euros. So that's what today's video will be about. When I arrive, I'll show you the BMW cars and tell what the garage is trying to offer for the car. The garage where I went yesterday, that offered me 25,000 euros. They had like an 1 Series, 118. Stuff off, it's not what you want. For the car I'm going to open up the roof also. But I prefer like a coupe car, more of a sportier car with rear-wheel drive. Like this car had rear-wheel drive, the 1 Series just has front-wheel drive. So not the most interesting car. I was thinking the 4 Series 420 we're going to look at. It has rear-wheel drive and 180 horses. It's a bit heavier than this car, of course, but I think it's quite fun to also have that experience over BMW and then get some money out of it, that I can keep continuing the YouTube journey for all of you. So I want to say enjoy watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel if you want to see a lot of car reviews and car events I've been to in the last months. Of course, when I have a new car, the journey will continue. This is my hometown actually, Lommel. But I'll make the drive and I'll see you there, guys. Yeah guys, I arrived here at the garage. The name is Auto Seba here in Beringen. I'm going to get in and then talk with the salesperson about my car, and then afterwards I'll take you around the parking lot to see what cars they all have here in stock. So to wait here, looks like they are a bit busy at the moment, but the gate is open, so there will be someone here in a minute. I'm going to show you here. Mazda I cleaned up this week. It's like the first time I cleaned it by hand myself, so it's looking quite good if you ask me. Nice and clean. And used auto wax for it, especially in the wheels you can see it. Nice and clean. So the inside I did like a full cleaning. So I'm curious to know what they will offer for it. And I'll also show you the car I'm here for. It's on the inside there, it's a white BMW. We show you also this M6 car and brakes on with the gold brakes. Full exhaust car on the M car. This one is also for sale. Brown interior. Some carbon fiber, that's nice. And that's what I meant, the calibers in gold. It's quite a cool car. And we have some other BMWs here, Ford R. Show you mostly the most interesting ones, because of course I want to replace my car with a sports car to keep of course a rear wheel driven car. Let's see, but they all have here some minis, other BMWs, Volkswagen, Tiguan even, inside some Mercedes, other BMWs, but actually here in the very front was the BMW 420 Coupe I was talking to you about. It's here, that white one, and having a closer look at it, looks quite cool, and you have like carbon fiber here on the front lip, also around the mirrors carbon fiber, and then only the coupé form, you see only 2 doors. 4 series, just 420, it has 190 horses, so nothing too crazy, but still nice. You can see MPAC on it. What else does it say? I think it's an automatic, 27,000 euros, so it will be cool to replace the Mazda with it. So also there is an A35. I think it was more expensive here, just an A180. I had a CLA in the past, so yeah, I'm not that interested in a Mercedes. A C-Coupe would be cool, because at the time I was buying my CLA, like 8 years ago, when I was 20. I also made like the price for a C-Coupe, but the C-Coupe was a bit too expensive also for insurance. It wasn't possible, because it was a new car with 150 horsepower. It was not possible at that time, so I went for the CLA 180. Here's an 835. Quickly show you. Like this red color of grey, and then with the blacked out grill here in the front. AMG. You can read here in red. Cool detailing. Blacked out wheels. AMG brakes. It's cool to see. No price on this car because it's quite new. See the newer interior, red stitching, Alcantara. Then the cool thing on the 835 is you have like 4 exhausts, 4 round exhausts. It's blacked out, the diffuser. This is also a cool car. Glass roof in, if you're interested here, Auto Seba and Beringen, some more BMWs here. This is C300, but I would prefer a coupe C-Class. 9,000 also priced well. That's the BMW there. Let's see in the back if I can find someone to help us. Still no response here. We went around the garage, so I think I have to come back, but I'll take you to another garage also here nearby in Leopoldsburg, where I've also been before, but I never did like a vlog inside. Just showed you there the A3 I was looking at the time, or an M2. So maybe drive there, see if they're maybe interested to buy the Mazda from me or have an interesting car I can trade it in for. So let's drive there and then see what cool cars they have there in stock. So keep watching guys, enjoy. Then we arrived here at the premium cars in Leopoldsburg. We arrived now. And I see if they are willing to make an offer on the Mazda. Also see what cars they have in stock. They have here a cool special Brabus G-Wagon here, I'll show you. Covered off wheels on. Quite special, fully blacked out, the B-Turbo Brabus 800 you can read here. It's quite cool, the light blue accents like on the brakes and full interior in this color. It's very cool to see. fully interior redone by Brabus. Everything made carbon fiber around. Then this nice bright blue interior, also a spoiler on, you can see. It's quite cool. The side, some extra details. It's very cool to see. Full carbon fiber here also. Very cool car. Special exhaust system probably. Let's see what other cars they have here for sale. A160. BMW 116. Full of R-line. Some ZO wheels on. And also going on the inside. Is it an R? Oh, it is actually an R. It's quite cool. The 4 exhausts, 2 exhausts on each side. Maybe also an interesting car, but no information, price tag about this car. I'll take you on the inside because they always have some cool sports cars here also, next to a lot of luxury cars. E-Class, H7 also cool, Check XE. Land Rovers, but I'll take you on the inside and I'll take you on the inside. I can tell you some, the garage owner told me here the same. 25 he is willing to give if I trade it in here for another car. So we'll have to see. I didn't try to sell it personally on an account, so that's a thing I still have to do. But I'll show you here some other cars I have here in stock. Number 5 series. With E-classes, with an M6 I think it is, special G-Power, first class performance. So with some tuning, you see it here on the inside. In the grill, with the red railing, full carbon fiber details here. Let's see what this says. 780 horsepower guys. 125,000 euro. Carbon on the mirrors. Cool interior with the 10. Carbon here on the roof. Carbon on the spoiler. And then here the G. Power first class performance exhaust system. You see with some chopped carbon on and full blacked out here also around the rear lights. I made competition, you can see. Very cool car special. And next to it an M6 cap. Zo'n cool car to see. Just a regular 8 4-door. Here is C63 AMG. That's nice. This interior is very cool, I think, on the C63. No performance seats on. Trapezium exhaust voor hier Taycan Porsche. Een nieuwe C-Class. There they also have something interesting, special Lamborghini Urus Performante, I think it is even. Last time we was dark blue. Yes, but this is even a Performante. You can see it on the carbon fiber hood. Here these air louvers. You also have on the S model now. Full carbon fiber here in the diffuser. Carbon mirrors. Carbon here on the side of the doors. Even blue here on the inside of the interior. It's nice, the detail. The blue coming back. Stitching and piping around the seats. The walls roof. Carbon fiber spoiler again, carbon lip. Special couple with sound system by Lamborghini. And here is full carbon fiber diffuser. Very cool to see. Special wheel. This is a very nice one. Then here X7, I think it is. Biggest BMW SUV. Seal hier. Hier older 5 serie. Range Rover. BMW SUV is a lot of. This is also a cool one. X5 with like a diffuser on. And then this dark red color, like Bordeaux color. For cleaning cars also, so sorry for the sound in the background. Very nice. This color. Range Rover next to it. Let's see what they ask for the Range Rover. 35. Prijst wel veel voor Range Rover with 170,000 kilometers on. A diesel car. Dark blue with two-tone interior, dark brown and beige. It's quite nice. Here a Porsche Macan. Let's see what they ask for this Porsche Macan. Then I asked guys, the Golf R that was outside was priced around 22,000. So I'm gonna see if the owner maybe wants to give a bit more for my Mazda, and then I'll maybe trade it in for the Golf R, or I'll think about it. It's maybe a good deal to do. So we'll see. And then I'm gonna already say thanks for watching, and maybe in the next video you see me trading in my car. We'll go to more garages for some car shopping to trade in the Mazda. Hope you like these vlogs. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe on the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.